if you're experiencing verification issues on Gmail after multiple failed attempts. Follow these steps to resolve the problem and regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the Gmail sign-in page. Go to the Gmail sign-in page and enter your email address. Click on Next to proceed to the password entry screen. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. If you cannot remember your password or have been locked out, click on the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Follow the account recovery steps. Follow the prompts provided by Google. You may be asked to answer security questions, enter a verification code sent to your recovery email or phone number, or provide other identifying information. Step 4. Check your recovery options. Ensure that your recovery email and phone number are up to date. If you have access to these, Google will send a verification code to help you regain access. Step 5. Contact Google Support. If you are still unable to resolve the verification issues, visit the Google Account Help Center and look for options to contact support. They can provide further assistance in recovering your account. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve verification issues and regain access to your Gmail account. If problems persist, seeking help from Google Support is recommended.